Hi guys, thanks for stopping by. First, the disclaimer. Although this is not a sponsored video, I did receive this item free from Amazon for an honest product review. I'm happy with this and I intend to use this in my work. I thought of posting this review on YouTube. At the end of this video, I do have a audio sample recorded which is dubbed onto this video so that you can judge the audio quality yourself. My only nitpick on this is that it records only in mono and not in stereo. This digital audio recorder is constructed well. It feels premium, all metallic body, very ergonomic and very intuitive to use. In fact, I didn't have to refer to the manual at all, although the manual is very informative and will get you going very quickly. It has a power on off button, and also to select anything in the menu you need to use this button. Then this is returned back to the previous item, and this is for delete. And of course this is the menu, and these are different to choose different items. So very intuitive and single hand operation. And this is volume up and down, plus it has other functions as well. To choose an item, you can use this. And this, when you push it forward, it is for record. And then when you push it back, it saves the file. And of course, this is a 3.5 millimeter socket for your headphones. And it has a built-in mic. And this is the USB-C charger. Although the manual says this has a 500 milliampere hour lithium-ion rechargeable battery, the description on Amazon says that it is 1100 milliampere hour battery. So I'm not sure which one is correct. And here we have a built-in small speaker for monitoring. Now, all this while you have been listening to the audio that is recorded in my camera. Now I'll switch this on and then dub this audio onto the video so that you'll get to know how this sounds. So now let me go into the recording mode. Of course, you'll also hear all the rustling and extraneous noise and disturbances because the mic is pretty sensitive. Now it is in record mode and you can see the equalizer there. And currently I have not modified any of the factory settings other than the recording format, which was in WAV, W-A-V. That I have changed it to MP3 because I don't see any reason why I should be recording in WAV format, which is an uncompressed, lossless format, which I don't need for regular voice recording. And I don't intend using this for any music or vocal performance. So keeping that in mind, I'd rather keep the file size small by way of recording it in MP3 format. But this unit has the advantage of recording not only in WAV, but also in MP3. The mic is pretty sensitive, and as I mentioned, the factory setting is set at 5 for the recording level. I have not changed it, and it goes up to a max of 7. And of course, it plays back in 4 or 5 formats. You can check it up in the manual. I think it's a very good value for money with all these features, very handy, and it also comes with all these accessories. You also get a headphone TRS plug here that goes into this socket here, or you can input from line to line using this cable. And this is the charging cable, USB-A to USB-C. You also have an adapter from USB-A to USB-C. And you get a lanyard. So overall, good value for money. Thanks for watching.